Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down how do Credit Karma loans work in 2025. If you're navigating personal finance or looking to borrow money wisely, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in. First off, Credit Karma is a popular free platform that helps you monitor your credit score and access financial products. In 2025, they've enhanced their loan services through partnerships with lenders, making it easier than ever to get personalized loan offers. These can include personal loans, credit cards, and even auto loans, all tailored to your credit profile. So, how does it actually work? It starts with signing up for a free account on Credit Karma. Once you're in, the app or website analyzes your credit report and suggests loan options that match your needs. For example, if you're aiming for a personal loan to consolidate debt, you'll see pre-qualified offers based on your score. No hard credit pulls required for initial checks, which is a huge plus in 2025. Now, let's talk about the application process. It's super straightforward and mostly online. You select a loan offer, fill out a quick form with your details, and get a decision fast, often within minutes. Interest rates? They vary based on your credit, but with 2025 updates, expect more competitive rates thanks to AI-driven matching and economic incentives. Of course, there are benefits and risks to consider. On the pro side, it's convenient, transparent, and can help you build credit. But watch out for potential downsides like higher interest if your credit isn't great, or fees from partner lenders. Always read the fine print. In summary, Credit Karma loans in 2025 are a smart tool for managing your finances, but they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. I recommend checking your credit first and comparing offers. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.